I chose this program because when I was in high school, it was something I was interested in. We learned how to become firefighters. We learned the basics. We learned CPR. We learned how to drive the trucks and other fire and rescue operating vehicles.
What are you guys doing up here?
Doing some truck checks.
You as well?
Also just doing some truck checks.
We learned how to use the ladders, how to properly go up and down them, the tools we use for the firefighting and everything. We learned how to deploy hose lines.
So we got him rolling hoses right here, getting it done.
One of the cool things about being in this program is that there is a burn building out there that we can do live burns. When we go out to the burn building, we can do interior burns, exterior burns outside. Through the live burns, we learn how to get rid of smoke through a building, the proper ways to do it, and rescue operations through the building while it's smoky, checking every room and things like that. We have cars out there that are basically trash that we can burn, and we learn how to put out car fires.
But what are you up to now?
Just putting tools away.
One positive thing for me was it being close to where I live. I love the school from when I was in high school. I love the teachers and the people that go to the school. So you should come to EHOVE because it's a great program, and the instructors and teachers here help you out with everything you need. Your future, your career.